guys, how are you? Andy Sugu, founder and CEO of Y2K Credit Solutions. So today's educational topic, we're going to talk about business credit. All right. And the reason why I want to talk about this topic is because, you know, as I go to social media and I see all these people posting about business credit, you go on TikTok, everyone's talking about business credit. First off, I wouldn't be getting financial advice from anyone on TikTok. That's first. But as I go through all these posts and people send me things about business credit, a lot of this information, and a lot of people tell you all kind of different information. No one's actually giving you concrete information of how business credit is built or how it works. You know, everyone has their own version of it, and they're trying to sell you on their course or their product or the fact that they can help you build business credit and all sorts of information they're telling you, okay? Now, here's the thing. My firm, Y2K Credit Solutions, Y2K Debt Solutions, deals with business credit. But to be very transparent and honest with you guys, it's not something we really want to indulge in because it's a very simple process that consumers can do on their own if you have a legitimate business and you're looking to grow your business and you're gonna have a successful business. It really is a simple process. I see all these guys are selling courses and selling subscriptions, and realistically, that money you're paying people for subscriptions, you could use that to pay for your monthly fee for your NAV account, to have that as a trade line reporting on your business credit profile. Now, let me say this, and you know, make sure this is a disclaimer, and I want to make sure that you guys realize this. A lot of people are telling you don't need personal credit. Guys, you need personal credit. Your personal credit has to be in optimal shape. Have to have good credit score. You can't have charge-offs and so forth, because a lot of banks are going to use your personal credit to approve credit cards, right? Especially more so now. In COVID, a lot of people ran with the whole business credit concept and telling you can apply for credit cards, and now a lot of companies weren't legitimate companies. They end up going belly up. They, you know, the credit card companies lost on the credit cards that they extended credit to. So a lot of companies are pulling back on just extended business credit, especially for a startup business that's just started, has no history, has no foundation, nothing. And a lot of banks don't want to see U lines and all these trade lines on your credit report. They want to see major credit cards when you're applying for credit, especially when you're going for loans. So we'll get into that later on in the conversation. But here's the thing, guys. Building business credit is just like building personal credit. No one has a special sauce. There's no special process. It's not a rocket scientist process. It's really not. You can do it on your own if you have patience and you have time and you follow instructions, right? A lot of people are telling you, you know, $100 a month, $150 a month, $199. They can help you build your business credit, so forth. Guys, Dun & Bradstreet gives you your DUNS number for free. If you can't follow the instructions to apply for your DUNS number, you have to call customer service. There's an 800 number there, right? You can even tell them what information is not correct. You can upload it. There's an email form. There's a dispute form. All of this you can do on your own, right? Experian, you pay for the Experian business report for your company. There's a dispute form that you need to fill out. If there's incorrect information, it takes 30 to 45 days to update. Equifax is the same way. We're not saying we don't want to entertain building business credit, but it's time consuming, and 9 out of 10 times when you need information from the consumer, they don't get it back to you on time. There's a delay, and things are just sitting there and waiting for it to get billed, and it's just time ticking. So we rather, Y2K, we rather coach you in a consultation and tell you do step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And of course, all of that would vary depending on where you are with your business and when it was established and what you have established already. Example, like bank accounts and so forth, right? So we would rather have a consultation with you, give you all the steps and tell you how to do it yourself. And the reason why we rather do that as well, because when something gets damaged or something's broken on a business credit or it's not working, you need to know how to fix that yourself, not depending on calling someone or calling a firm, paying a X amount of dollars or a subscription fee, and they're going to do the same exact thing that you're doing that's free. So basically, they're charging you to do things that's free that you can do on your own, right? And if you're a serious entrepreneur, you're serious about your business, and you're serious about building business credit, trust me, you would want to take the time and invest in building it yourself, so you know exactly what needs to get done and how it gets done and how to fix things when it's not working properly, or updating information that needs to get updated. Now, if you have multiple business, once you do your first business, all you're doing is repeating the same steps with your second, third, fourth, fifth business, right? It's really not rocket science. So, you know, a lot of people are on social media telling you, offering you the service, and it's just like any other thing. Any new product that comes online, everyone is an expert. 9 out of 10 times, these guys that are offering you these services probably don't even have a business set up legitimately for themselves. They're just repackaging someone's data, right? And they're selling it to you, and they can't even fix business credit themselves. They're not an expert. Everyone is an expert on social media, but realistically, on pen and paper, they're not an expert. So be wary about this information you're getting on business credit. Trust me, guys, you can do this on your own. You don't need to pay a year subscription to somebody to do it for you. You don't need to pay a monthly subscription. You don't need to pay, you know, get into a university class to do this, right? It's the same concept when you're building your personal credit. Remember when you first got your first credit card? You got your first credit card, you use it, you pay it on time, you get your second credit cards, use it, and so forth. It's the same concept, except in personal credit, there's Experian, Equifax, TransUnion. In business credit, there's Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax, and Experian Business Credit. Those are the 3 bureaus, right? And you use NAV to monitor your business credit, just like you would use Score Navigator to monitor your personal credit. Okay? So I just want to clarify this whole concept of business credit, and everyone running with these, you know, special words and information that they're telling you how to build business credit, and it's not. It's really not that hard. It's very simple. All you need is a one-on-one coaching, and that's it. And then once you get the coaching going, and that's a one-time thing. You know, if you sit there and take all your notes when you do your consultation, if you have a pen and paper and you write down all the steps, you will not fail. You will not miss anything. And if you do miss something, you can just backtrack and where you made the mistake and fix it. Okay? So be careful with this stuff, guys. I mean, a lot of people just, right now, everyone's trying to make money on anything, right? So if you have any questions about business credit, you can definitely drop a comment below, give our office a call. But we're really trying to shy away from doing the work for the consumer and rather have you do the work and just advise you how it's done in one phone call. It's really that just simple. But if your personal credit is not in proper order, it's going to be very tough for you to build business credit. Now, if you want loans, lines of credit on your business, no bank is going to give you that right on a startup company that just started with no history, no profit and loss statement, no tax return coming in. No bank's going to give you that. And if they do give you that loan, it'll be a small loan, but also they're going to use your personal credit. Your business has to be built for 2 years. Profit and loss statement and tax return. Most banks do 1 year. I say 2 years is a comfortable number. Showing a profit and loss statement, transactions coming in, you're paying bills out, you're not running the company at a loss, there's a profit at the end of the year, right? Because if there's no profit and you're always running at a loss, how are you going to pay the loans back? Credit cards are a different process, right? It's to get the loan, you have to show that you're making money so you can pay it back. Now, all these trade lines, Uline, Staples, all of this stuff is free. You can do it on your own. You don't need to pay someone to apply for this stuff. All you do is apply for your Uline, you call them, you make it into a Net30 account, and you do transactions for 30 days. They send you the invoice, you pay it on time. Continue that process for 2-3 months, let it build a score up. All of these things I'm telling you, people are charging you to do, and it's really free. You just need the guidance and step-by-step plan on how to execute the process. All right, so like I said, if you have a comment, question about this video, drop it below. I'll answer it for you guys. If you want to schedule a consultation and you're a startup company and you want to know the steps of building your business credit, where you have to log into, who you have to create accounts with, give our office a call. We'll give you all of it, and you just have to take it and run with it and do it on your own at your leisure time. But again, it's more important that you do it on your own, so you know how to fix something when it's broken, or you don't have to call someone to always depend on someone to fix it. All right, talk to you guys soon. Have a good day.